What is going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. So today we are going to be doing another woodwork challenge. So guys, I'm not going to be wasting any more time. We're going to get straight into the video, so I hope you guys enjoy. So guys, I'm going to be starting off by going for the crossbar, guys. We're going to be starting off by going for the crossbar, so let's get to it. The first shot literally went over, man, so I have to quickly go get the ball, man. So guys, this time I'm going to be going for the right post. We're going to be going for the right post. Right, guys, this one I'm going to be going for the right post again. We've got the left post and the right post remaining, so I'm going to be going for the left post. But we're going to be going for the right post. Right, so guys, left post. We might as well, we'll go for the left post. Cool. Right, so guys, I'm going to be going for the right post, guys. I'm going to be going for the right post. Yeah, I have to go get the ball. We're going to have to go for the right post, guys. We're going to be going for the right post. Right, so guys, it's not looking good at all, man. Right post. Yeah, let's go for the right post. Right, left post, guys, left post. So guys, we're going to be going for the right post. This one I'm going to be doing a no look off, so it's probably not going to hit, but I mean, we might as well. We're going to be going for the right post, and yeah, let's do it. Alright, cool. Right, so guys, I don't know what to say. Yeah, I think it's about to rain as well, so we haven't got too long, but yeah, we're gonna keep trying. Guys, it's so annoying, man. I have to actually go over to go get the ball, man. But so guys, I just gotten back the ball. So long, man, but we're gonna have to keep going. It's probably the closest we're ever gonna get. I'm not even joking, like, we have to keep going in it. Let's go. So guys, we did complete the woodwork challenge. We did hit the left post, man. I thought it wasn't going to be happening today, but yeah guys, we finally was able to hit the left post. So guys, if you liked the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, turn on your post notification, and guys, I'll catch you soon. LC 500 out. Oh, it's gone over again.